We've got some new motion sensor lights. They're LED battery operated lights made by Anbach. These are great particularly for closets, but they can be used in pantries, under cabinets, and in dark hallways. They come 3 to a pack for the motion sensor ones. And as I mentioned, they're battery operated, and I'm going to put some batteries in. So in the pack then there are a total of 12 batteries that are included. And there, it came on. There is no on-off switch, it's motion sensitive. So that's what it's really great for, I think particularly for closets and dark hallways. You can also put this under cabinets, but I think I'd prefer one with an on-off switch for under the cabinet. They are 7.5 inches long and 1.2 inches wide. So it's a good size. Each one has 10 LED lights, and that provides 80 lumens. There's a 120-degree sensing angle. The LED motion sensor light is auto on within 10 feet if motion is detected, and then it's auto off after 12 to 18 seconds when there's no motion detected. Now it says that these will come on only with motion in the dark, but I've found that it definitely does not have to be completely dark for the motion sensitive aspect to work. So the way these work is there is a backing that has 3M tape, and you place that wherever you want it. And then to take the light on and off is very easy. If you want to take it off and change the batteries or do whatever. There you can see the 10 LED lights, and in the middle, that's where the motion detector is. There's the where you peel off the 3M tape. And I'll do that when I get ready to install it. So these lights do come with a little instruction manual. Tells you everything you need to know. Okay, I've got one of the lights here in this dark hall closet, and I'm going to open the door and see how the motion sensor works. There it is. Plenty of light to see the contents, grab a jacket or whatever from the closet. I'm going to try a light somewhere else in the house. I've got it now resting on the counter, on the side of the counter in a hall bath. It's a windowless bathroom. Let's see what happens as I approach. There, the light went on. And that is providing enough light to use the room without turning on the main overhead light if you didn't want too much light at night or didn't want to disturb anyone. So I've got it resting on the shelf in the pantry. And the light went off immediately. I would have it pointing down, of course, if I were to install it there. And let me turn out the main light so you can get an idea of how much light it does provide. So I've got the kitchen light off, and it's a fair amount of light. I mean, you're not going to be able to read or anything with that, but certainly enough to see your way around. Okay, now what I really wanted these for was along the dark stairway. I've got a couple of dark stairways, actually. Let's see what happens as I approach. It's fairly dark in here right now. So as I approach, they both went on, providing just enough light to see well enough to make it up and down the stairs. And they went off. Please check the description section below this video for more information. Thanks for watching.